All right, guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be making the easiest fries you've ever made in your life. So we're going to start by peeling our potato and then cutting our potatoes up into fries. You can cut them as thin or as thick as you like, but if you see how I do it, I cut them in half and then I slice them in fourths lengthwise and then cut them into the fry shape that I want. Whatever way you want, as thick or as thin. This is just the way that I like to do it. And then we are going to be cooking them in an air fryer today, so that's what they should look like. And then we're going to coat the bottom of our air fryer and then put it all into a bowl. Once they're all cut up, add our paprika, white pepper, Parmesan, and olive oil. Give it a mix, and then you're going to layer it on the bottom of your air fryer pan like this. And then once you do, just put them in the air fryer literally for 7 minutes at 400, flip them, and then put them back in for another 3, and you have some crispy, golden, delicious fries. If you like this, like, rate, subscribe. Dailyrecipes.co is our website, and bon appetit, y'all.